Assalamualaikum students, welcome to our today's maths class. This is part 4 of class 8, chapter number 9, area of plane figures. In the previous video students, we have discussed some problems of exercise 9.2. Today we are going to discuss another problem. So first let us discuss the question. See in your textbook students on page number 231. Question number 4. In the previous we have finished this question number 3. Now we are going to start the question number 4. The adjacent figure consists of 4 small semicircles of equal radii and 2 big semicircles of equal radii, each 42 centimeter. Find the area of the shaded region. Here what is the question given in the adjacent figure? Nothing but in this figure it consists of 4 small semicircles. Here 4 small semicircles are there of equal radii. Nothing but here semicircles are here students. This is the first semicircle and this is the second semicircle. This is the third semicircle and it is fourth semicircle, smaller semicircles. Next see here also given 2 big semicircles are there. Here 2 big semicircles are there. This is first one, that is it starts from here and it goes like this, and the second semicircle is here. Nothing but it starts from here and move like this to this corner. So here we have totally 6 semicircles. Now we have to just find the area of this shaded region. Nothing but whatever the region, this shape you are seeing, that shape area only we have to find. So for this area one hint is given here, that is area diameter 2 big semicircles of equal radii 42 centimeter. So here 2 big semicircles is given 42 centimeter each. Let us find the area of shaded region. So see here students, this is the fourth solution. This is the diagram, and in this diagram firstly I have drawn the lines for semicircles. Nothing but all 4 these semicircles are of equal radii and we have to find the area of. So see here students, the area of this shaded region we have to find. So for that sake let us write, given that diameter of bigger semicircle, here diameter of bigger semicircle is given 42 centimeter and we are finding the radius. How we will find radius? It is d by 2. Nothing but diameter by 2 will be given as radius. So 42 by 2. Now here 2 ones are 2, 20 ones are. Therefore radius of bigger semicircle is 21 centimeter. Nothing but this bigger semicircle radius is 21 centimeter. Now let us find the smaller one. Now let us find the area of bigger semicircle students. What is the area of semicircle formula? This we have already discussed. It is half pi r square. So we are taking 1 by 2 into pi value. What is the pi value? It is 22 by 7 into what is the r value students? It is 21. So here r square is there, then we have to take here 21 into 21. Nothing but 21, 2 times we have to multiply. First I am doing here cancellations. 2 ones are 2, 11s are, and 7 ones are 7, 3s are. Like this what is remained here? 11 into 3 into 21. So 11 3s are will be 33 into 21. If you multiply 33 into 21, you will get 693 centimeters square. Therefore area of bigger semicircle is 693 centimeter square. Now we have to find the area of this smaller circle. How we will find means, so by this next we will find the area of shaded region students directly by using this semicircle. So here I am writing students area of shaded region. Now we are finding the area of shaded region is equals to area of 2 bigger semicircle minus area of two smaller semicircle plus area of two smaller semicircle. How we are writing means, see area of two bigger semicircles. See here students, in this figure we are finding the area of this shaded region by doing first area of this bigger semicircle, area of two bigger semicircle minus area of these two smaller semicircle. Nothing but in this bigger semicircle we don't need this part, hence we are removing these two parts by subtracting area of two smaller semicircles. Next we need this area. Now for this area we are taking, for this second one and third one we are taking area of two smaller semicircles. Like this you have to take first area of two bigger semicircle minus area of these two smaller semicircles plus again area of these two smaller semicircles. That's why here we are writing area of two bigger semicircle minus area of two smaller semicircle plus again area of two smaller semicircle. Here see area of two smaller semicircle, minus is there and plus is there, so cancel them. What is remained? Only area of two bigger semicircles is remained. So here that itself I am writing area of two bigger semicircles. Now what is the area of one bigger semicircle, students? It is 693. Now two bigger semicircles, nothing but what you have to do, you have to multiply 693 with 2. This area of bigger semicircle already we have found, so now it is 693. So therefore 2 into 693 will be 1386. 2 3s are 6, 2 9s are 18, take 1 carry, here 8 will be there, and 2 6 are 12 plus 1 is 1386 centimeter square. Therefore the area of the shaded required region is 1386 centimeter square. Like this you have to find the area of any figure given. So your today's homework is, students, this fifth one, sixth one and seventh one. This fifth one is same as fourth one, do it. And here also you have to find the area of this shaded region. First find here area of this square, then you can find easily this one. And here you have to find the area of portion in the triangle not included in the circles. Nothing but here in the middle, see here in the middle this region is there, you have to find the area of that region. Do it, students. Today's section is over. These three are your today's homework.